Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to convert Facebook account to page. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. If you want to convert your Facebook profile into a page to promote your business or brand or for any other reason, I'll show you how you can do that in just simple steps. So now I'm already here inside the Facebook app. Then make sure to log into your account that you want to convert into a page. Now tap on your profile photo at the top left corner of the screen and then go to your profile. Now look for the three dots on the right side and here you will go to the profile settings. Just press on Turn on Professional Mode. So just finish the setup and follow the steps here as you can see. So you need to add or edit your profile picture, edit the cover photo, edit the bio, select your profile category, and add the website, social links, and create a new content. And you can also review the privacy settings and check the important things and make sure that you're interacting and sharing with the people you want. So once you do that, you will be changed to professional mode and your Facebook profile will be converted to a Facebook page. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!